Welcome to my home. Welcome to Jane's home. This is Jane. She is 32 years old and this is her home. It is a big and beautiful house. There are 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, a kitchen, a living room, a dining room, and a laundry room. Let's go inside and see. This is my house. This is my bedroom, and there is a bed, a chair, a desk, a nightstand, a lamp, a shelf, a picture, a teddy bear, a window, and some books. This is the kitchen. There are some plants, a sink, a refrigerator, a stove, and some kitchen cabinets. This is the dining room. There are some chairs and a table. There is also a mirror, a stand, and 2 windows. This is the living room. There is a couch or sofa, a television, a carpet, and there are 2 tables and 2 armchairs. This is the bathroom. There is a toilet, a bathtub, a sink, a rug, a medicine cabinet, and a towel. Parts of the house: bedroom, bathroom, laundry room, living room, kitchen, basement, garden. Bed, pillowcase, pillows, headboard, sheet, comforter or duvet, mattress, box spring, blanket, bedspread, or just spread for US, double bed, so this is a double bed, sofa bed, twin bed or a single bed, bunk bed. Types of beds: hammock, cradle, cot, travel cot, mattress, base, 4-poster bed, canopy, bedpost, patchwork, and a quilt. Okay, futon, single bed, headboard, top sheet, blanket, bedspread or also spread, valance, bedding. So all this together we call bedding. Also named a twin bed. Bunk beds, sofa bed, camp bed or a cot, air bed or air mattress. Pump. This is her bedroom. There is a bed. There is a nightstand next to the bed. There are pictures above the bed. There is a lamp on this nightstand. There are some books on the nightstand. There is a rug or a carpet under the bed. There is a table and a chair in front of the bed. There are 2 windows and a dresser between the windows. There is a mirror on the dresser. There are also some flowers on the dresser and next to the bed. There are pillows on the bed. Exercise. Is there a bed in her bedroom? Yes, there is. Are there pillows on the floor? No, there are pillows on the bed. Is there a clock in her room? No, there isn't. This is her kitchen. There is a refrigerator, a stove, a microwave oven, a sink, a tap or a faucet, a dishwasher, and an exhaust fan or extractor fan. There are also 2 chairs, some plants, some knives, a tea set, some fruits, a mixer, and some kitchen cabinets or cupboards. So questions. Is there a stove in the kitchen? Yes, there is a stove in the kitchen. Are there 2 stoves or 2 chairs? There are 2 chairs. Are there plants in the kitchen? Yes, there are some plants in the kitchen. Is there a bed in the kitchen? No, there isn't a bed in the kitchen. There is a TV on the wall with some shelves beside it. There is a lamp in the corner. There are 2 sofas or couches and 1 armchair. There is a table in the middle of the room, and there is a footstool in front of the armchair. There is also a picture on the wall. Exercise. Are there 2 couches in the living room? Yes, there are 2 couches in the living room. Is there a TV in the living room? Yes, there is a TV in the living room. Are there 2 couches or is there only 1 couch? Yes, there are 2 couches. Is there a bed in the living room? No, there isn't a bed in the living room. How many pillows are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 pillows. How many glasses are on the side table? Oh, there are 2 glasses on the side table. This is her dining room. There is a table and 4 chairs. There are curtains. There are some flowers in 2 vases on the table. Exercises. What is in this room? Write 5 sentences with the vocabulary. Write 5 interrogative statements. This is her laundry room. There is a washing machine and there are some cupboards. There are pictures on the wall and there is soap in a container on the shelf. Exercise. Is there a dryer in the laundry room? Yes, there is a dryer in the laundry room. Are there cupboards in the laundry room? Yes, there are some cupboards in the laundry room. Is there soap in the laundry room? Yes, there is soap in the living room, in the laundry room. Yes, there is soap in the laundry room. Are there chairs in the laundry room? No, there are no chairs in the laundry room. There are no chairs in the laundry room. Are there pictures on the wall? Yes, there are some pictures on the wall. Is there a washing machine in the laundry room? Yes, there is a washing machine in the laundry room. Write 3 affirmative sentences and 3 negative sentences. Bathroom. Medicine cabinet, medicine chest. Mirror. sink, wash basin, toilet paper, plunger, toilet brush, toilet, waste basket, waste paper basket, laundry basket, hamper, bath towel, hand towel, faucet or tap, washcloth, face cloth, flannel, towel rail, towel bar, towel rack, shower head, bathtub or just tub, shower, bathroom scale, bathroom scales, bath mat, shower curtains, the bathroom, light, bathroom cabinet, mirror, shaving foam, razor, comb, hairbrush, tap or faucet. So this here is a tap or a faucet. Toothpaste, toothbrush holder, toothbrush, hand towel, towel rail, wash basin, screen, shower, soap dish, soap, bath, bath mat, toilet, bidet, toilet paper, sponge, tiles, conditioner, shampoo, deodorant, bath towel, curtain. There is, singular. There are, plural. Affirmative. There is a chair in the kitchen. Negative. There isn't a chair in the kitchen. Interrogative. Is there a chair in the kitchen? Affirmative. There are 6 cars in the garage. Negative. There aren't 6 cars in the garage. Interrogative. Are there 6 cars in the garage? Okay, starting with flowers. How many roses are there? There are 6 roses. How many flowers are there? There are 4 flowers. How many flowers are there? 2 flowers. There are 2 flowers. Okay, how many flowers are there? There are 0 flowers. So, these pictures I am asking about specific quantities. Okay, specific quantities. Now, are there any flowers here? Yes, there are some flowers. And now, are there any flowers? Yes, there are some flowers. Are there any flowers? No, there aren't any flowers. No, there are no flowers. So for some, I use for affirmative. Yes, I have some. For any, I use for interrogative, and I also use any for negative statements. No is when I don't have. Okay, no or not any. There are no books or there are not any books. I can use some, any, or no for compound as well. So, somewhere is location. Anywhere, nowhere. These 3 are algum, nenhum, qualquer lugar. Então, algum lugar, nenhum lugar ou qualquer lugar. Something, anything, nothing. Alguma, nenhuma, qualquer coisa. Someone, anyone, no one. Alguém, ninguém, qualquer Somebody, anybody, nobody. Alguém, ninguém, qualquer So, countable, uncountable, affirmative, some. Interrogative, any. Negative, no. People. Someone, somebody. Affirmative. Interrogative, anyone, anybody. No one, nobody. Negative. Things. Something. Anything. nothing. Place. Somewhere. Anywhere. Nowhere.